improving vaginal health, improving uterine health, improving scarring, adhesions. And for those women who are using castor oil topically, abdominally, right, local application on the top, how can you use it in a better way? Using an organic tampon. So it's internal application of a herbal oil. In my case, I use Ayurvedic herbal oils, and that's what I'm going to show you how you can do that. How can you use tampon? So what is this useful for? This is one of the treatments and therapies that I recommend to all my women patients, and is to give them herbal oil, which they can then soak this tampon and insert it vaginally and use that oil locally. That's what you really want, a local application which is internal, closer to uterus, that helps for it to heal, for your womb to heal, for your vaginal health to become better, so that you can get pregnant faster, also healthier. So anybody who has got endometriosis, also women who have got vaginosis or difficulty having, having intimacy or sex, they can also make their vaginal health healthier. This is also useful for women in perimenopause and menopause as well. So this is tampon that you can use. Sorry, it's going to make a bit of noise. So oil, you can put in either put it in a glass that you can use, okay, like this, right? And we're going to soak it here. What I have found better is that you can use a spoon and add to this tampon here, so that tampon, can absorb this oil. If you can see, yeah, can absorb this oil, right, like this, and then let it absorb so that you can see it is absorbing really nicely. Sorry, it's making a mess here, like that. Yeah, you can also use ghee, by the way, internally. Women who have got issues with thrush, they have to obviously get a consultation so that you are not exaggerating it, making it worse. So that's quite oily now, okay? So then you apply it internally, okay? And you either leave it inside the vagina for, I would say, about an hour, or overnight, whatever is convenient for you, okay? And make sure you use maybe a little pad or something, because it's going to make everything very oily. And this is how you are going to use oil, which is, you can use castor oil, you can also use other oils. This is herbal Ayurvedic oils that I use and give to my patients, so I don't give names out of herbs. But if you are, you can also use decoction this way as well. So if you have got, say, fennel decoction, for example, licorice decoction, for example, you can similarly add to your tampon, make it dip in that decoction, and use it internally to help your vaginal health. So if you're doing this, you want to do this for at least 3 times a week. You can do more, but at least 3 times a week. And to make your vaginal health healthier, as well as I mentioned, any scarring, any issues related to adhesions, women who have got endometriosis, even if your vagina is really tight and you want to loosen it for intimacy reasons, then you can also use even simple ghee that you have at home. You can use that. Okay, so try it out and let me know how this works for you.